स्टूडेंट्स, आई होप आप लोगों का खोज का एग्ज़ाम बहुत अच्छा गया होगा। खोज के एग्ज़ाम के रिजल्ट के पहले मैं आपसे एक इन्फॉर्मेशन शेयर करना चाहता हूँ कि आप लोगों का अगर आईटी आश्रम में एनरोल करवाना चाहते हैं तो खोज के एग्ज़ाम के रिजल्ट के बेसिस पे अगर आप 29 अक्टूबर से पहले रजिस्ट्रेशन करवाते हैं तो आपको 5% एडिशनल स्कॉलरशिप मिलेगी डिफरेंट कोर्सेज पे। सपोज अगर आपका खोज एग्ज़ाम का रिजल्ट 40% आया है, आपको 40% स्कॉलरशिप मिल रही है, तो आपको 5% एडिशनल स्कॉलरशिप दी जाएगी अगर आप 29 अक्टूबर से पहले रजिस्टर करवाते हैं तो। ओके, लेट्स मूव टू द वीडियो सॉल्यूशन। ओके, लेट्स मूव टू द क्वेश्चंस। A mixture contains three different substances X, Y and Z. They are of the same size, cubical in shape and yellow in color. Okay, so this thing is the very important for us कि उन सबका साइज सेम है, क्यूबिकल शेप के हैं और येलो इन कलर है। ओके, नाउ लेट्स सी द कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ द सब्सटेंस X. X के पार्टिकल्स बहुत हैवी हैं, X के पार्टिकल्स बहुत हैवी साइज के हैं, इनसॉल्युबल है एंड नॉन मैग्नेटिक है। ओके, एंड मिक्सचर का 50% कंट्रीब्यूशन कर रहे हैं। नेक्स्ट Y की अगर बात करें तो वो लाइट है, इनसॉल्युबल है एंड अगेन नॉन मैग्नेटिक है और मिक्सचर में 40% कंट्रीब्यूशन कर रहे हैं। एंड अगर मैं Z की बात करूं तो वो क्या है, आयरन पार्टिकल्स है। तो अब मुझे क्या करना है, इन तीनों को सेपरेट करना है। तो मैं कौन सी टेक्निक को यूज कर सकता हूं, कीप इट इन योर माइंड कि तीनों का साइज सेम है, कलर येलो है। ओके, सो मैं हैंड पिकिंग तो बिल्कुल भी यूज नहीं कर सकता, तो मेरा ये ऑप्शन डी वैसे ही रॉन्ग हो गया। ओके, नेक्स्ट आई नो कि जो जेड पार्टिकल्स है दैट इज आयरन पीसेस। तो आयरन जो क्या होता है, मैग्नेट से अट्रैक्ट होता है। सो वन ऑफ द ऑप्शन शुड बी द मैग्नेटिक सेपरेशन। अब आप ऑप्शन सर्च करिए कहां मैग्नेटिक सेपरेशन दिख रहा है। ओके, तीनों में दिख रहा है अपने को, सो वी कैन यूज द मैग्नेटिक सेपरेशन फॉर सेपरेटिंग जेड। ठीक है, एक्स, वाई एंड जेड में से मैग्नेटिक सेपरेशन से मेरा जेड क्या हो गया, सेपरेट हो गया। सो मैग्नेटिक सेपरेशन से जेड को मैंने सेपरेट किया, स्टिल एक्स एंड वाई आर रिमेनिंग। और एक्स और वाई के अंदर एक चीज है जो दोनों को डिफरेंशिएट कर रही है, दैट इज वेरी हैवी एंड वेरी लाइट। सो व्हेन I am having the very light particle, I can use winnowing. What can I use? Winnowing. I can use winnowing. Okay. So what is the first step? First step should be the magnetic separation. So I can separate the Z. And what is the second step? I need to separate now X and Y. So I will use the winnowing. So the option B is the correct answer. Okay. Let's move to the question 12. Which of the following happened because of the presence of air? So birds fly due to the air. Dispersal of seeds is also due to the air. Generating electricity, yes, that is known as wind energy. So the correct answer is option D. All of these is the correct answer. Let's move to the question. The gas causes the harmful greenhouse effect. So greenhouse effect caused by the carbon dioxide, statement based question. CO2 is the correct answer, option B. Okay, let's move to the next question. The natural fibers are obtained from, see, fiber can be categorized into two categories. One is natural and the other one is synthetic. Natural fibers are two types. Plant fiber we can obtain from the plant and the other one from the animals. Like plant fibers, cotton, jute, animal fiber, silk, wool. So I can see I can obtain natural fiber from the both plants and animals. So where the option? Option C, plants and animal. Okay, let's move to the next question. Which of the following does not belong to the group formed by the others? Okay, so let's see the brass. Brass is a mixture. It is an alloy. It is a mixture. It is the alloy. Next option, water. Water is compound. Its chemical formula is H2O. Next one is buttermilk. That is also a mixture. Mixture of what? Curd plus water, chach. That is also a mixture. Next one is steel. What is steel? It is also mixture of what? Mixture of iron plus some amount of other element like carbon and etc. So clearly I can see water. That is my correct answer because it is a compound. So the option B. Next question. Which of the following does not indicate a chemical change? Okay, so chemical change. It is the change in which new substance is formed. New substance is formed. Chemical formula of substances are altered in chemical change. Now let's explore the options. First option is change in color. Yes, in some chemical change in color may occur. Like if I react Fe plus CuSO4, that CuSO4 is in the blue color, it will give FeSO4 plus Cu. This FeSO4 is the green color. Okay, so the change in color occurs. Okay, change in shape, that is a physical change. Like I am having a piece of paper and I am cutting it into the small part. Chemically no new substance is formed. The paper changes its shape. These are also the paper sheets. So B does not indicating a chemical change, it is indicating a physical change. Okay, let's approach the next. C, change in energy. Yes, on the basis of energy, we are having two types of changes, exothermic and the other one is endothermic. Some chemical reactions are exothermic in nature, that means heat is evolved, temperature increases, and some endothermic, heat is absorbed. Like if I mix calcium oxide in water, water starts boiling, that is exothermic change, heat is evolving here. And if I dissolve NH4Cl in water, heat is absorbed there. So in chemical changes, we can see change in energy. And the next option, change in odor, change in smell, that is also possible in the chemical change. So the option B, change in shape, is the correct answer. Let's move to the next question. Which of the following is an example of a physical change? Again, physical change means no new substance is formed. The shape, state of the substance may change. So let's explore the option. Bird turning into the flower, that is clearly a chemical change. Rusting of iron, new substance, hydrated iron oxide is formed. So that is also a chemical change. Ripening of fruit, we can clearly see change in color. जैसे green mango होता है पक्के पक्का mango बन गया. So that is also a chemical change. And boiling of water, water changes into water vapor, and water vapor is chemically H2O, and water is also H2O. So no chemically new substance is formed. So it is a physical change. So the option D is my correct answer. Okay, let's move to the question number 18 now. Which of the following is a fuel? A substance that burns to produce energy is known as fuel. So, coal is a fuel? Yes. Sulfur is a fuel? No. Iron is a fuel? No. Brick is a fuel? No. So, the correct answer is coal. Okay, let's move to the question 19 now. Yeah. Question is based on this diagram. Given the technique, student adopted to the separate the constituent of the mixture. We can see two constituents are there, Q, P and R. Three constituents are there, sorry. Okay, so first mixture is Q, P and R. This filtration technique separated the substance Q. Okay, now we are having this P, and the From this P, R is also separated by the distillation and finally we get the water. Okay, so let's explore the option one by one. Finally we are getting water, so we are ignoring this. Sand plus glass, that cannot be separated by the filtration. Okay, oxygen and hydrogen, both are the gases that cannot be separated by the filtration or other technique like distillation. Stone, rice and water. Okay, stones are not soluble in water, but the size is quite big. So, filtration is not a suitable technique for this. And however, if we do the filtration of this mixture, we are having both stone and rice, then distillation is not possible to separate these stones and the rice. So, the answer is the chalk powder, sugar and water. First, this chalk powder, this will get separated by the filtration. Now, this is Q. Next, this mixture is P, and from distillation we can separate water. This is from the technique distillation. So, remaining substance R, this is R, sugar. Okay. So, the option D is the correct answer. Let's move to the last question, question number 20. Which of the following is a solid substance? Very easy. Brick, obviously solid substance. Air, gaseous substance. Juice, liquid substance. And the water, liquid substance. So the correct answer is the option A. So I hope I am able to clear your doubts. Thank you.